Hi everyone, hope you can all hear okay. Welcome to the RISCO Outdoor Detection webinar. Big thank you to everyone who's joined us today. I'm Greg Smith, Marketing Manager for UK and Ireland. With me is Scott Gray, who's Regional Training Manager, who will be delivering today's webinar, and Derek Walton, who's our Head of Product Support. On this session, we'll be introducing you to some RISCO outdoor solutions. Solutions that enable your customer to be alerted before the intruder enters or causes damage to the property. A real first line of defence. For the duration of the presentation, we'll keep everyone on mute. And once the presentation's completed, we'll open up for questions. I'll explain how you do that once the presentation's complete. For now, I'll pass you over to Scott.
Hi everyone. It's fair to say that most end users would prefer to be alerted before a break-in actually happens. However, most alarm installations discover intruders while they are already inside. Break-in attempts can do and cause damage to the property, creating a mess in the house and loss of precious items. Homeowners fear break-ins while they're not at home. Most alarm installations are designed to work while the occupants are absent. If occupants are home, intruder break-ins can be life-threatening. Users can leave open windows and protect their perimeter while allowing for fresh air at the home with windows open. This is especially important for bungalows in the summertime. Outdoor detectors are designed to stop intruders before they enter the property. There is no damage to doors and windows due to break-in attempts, and the intruder does not have a chance to create a mess at the home or take away precious items. End users are protected whilst in their homes. They can move freely inside the property with no accidental activation of intruder detectors. A point I'd like to make is that door contacts are only effective when windows are closed, which brings us on nicely to the first outdoor detection product I'd like to introduce today, which is the wireless outdoor curtain, a detector we launched last month to complement our comprehensive offering of outdoor detection solutions. The wireless outdoor curtain provides best-in-class detection performance, enabling the end user to be alerted before the intruder enters or causes damage to the property. RISCO Group's wireless outdoor curtain detector features new generation detection technologies that we will explore during the next slides. In front of you is an overview, but I want to highlight the detector is also weatherproof, water resistant to IP65, and includes a 90-degree bracket for easy installation. The wireless outdoor curtain provides unmatched false alarm immunity due to the new generational technologies applied within the detector. New generation technologies combine superior electronic design and optics with smart algorithms. Let's have a look at those different technologies within the wireless outdoor curtain. The wireless outdoor curtain has a narrow detection beam with a maximum 1 meter width at the edge of 12 meters. As a RISCO wireless detector, it is naturally integrated and compatible with all RISCO Group's alarm panels and provides comprehensive remote servicing capability via the config software. The coverage range is easily adjustable from the keypad or from the config software, so during the installation, the coverage can be adjusted comfortably with no need to climb a ladder. A narrow beam has several advantages. Number one, a smaller coverage area is an advantage because a smaller coverage area minimizes the probability of a false alarm. Number two, a narrow beam allows free movement on both sides of the beam, on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. People can move freely. So if you have a narrow space, like on the image on the left, you can now install our outdoor curtain, which will not be activated by people walking on by on the side of the pavement. A wide range detector would potentially catch them. Number three, because of the size of the coverage area, which is up to 12 meters, and the adjustable coverage range, the same detector can be used for various applications. The same detectors can be used for openings of doors and windows, as well as for an entire side of a house up to 12 meters. Let me explain to you why this is important for everyone. There are many types of installations where standard outdoor detectors cannot be used. For example, outdoor areas which are narrow, or areas which are publicly accessible and movement near the property is legitimate. The fact that we have a narrow beam means that it can be used in public spaces, so in areas where movement around the property is to a certain extent legitimate. It is good for industrial or urban areas, as we see here, including apartments, balconies, bungalows, etc. RISCO's outdoor curtain uses wireless dual technology, combining a PIR and a microwave channel. Only a detection that is confirmed by both channels will generate an alarm. As a result, the wireless outdoor curtain provides reliable detection in a harsher outdoor environment. Many detectors on the market are still using X-band frequency range for the microwave channel. The X-band microwave channel frequency is between 8 and 12 GHz. As a new generation detector, the outdoor curtain is operated by a K-band microwave sensor with a higher frequency of 24 GHz. This is actually double from the X-band and therefore providing a much better detection accuracy. A curtain detector is exposed to sunlight and to reflections from windows and from other passing objects. The outdoor curtain is equipped with sunlight immunity and therefore withstands those harsh conditions. The anti-mask directly alerts when an attempt at masking is made from when the system is disarmed. An active IR sensor is monitoring the lens transparency and detects any attempt to mask the detector's lens with IR blocking materials such as spray paint or masking tape. This provides a high level of security, especially in areas where outdoor detectors are accessible by the public. The outdoor curtain detector comes with bi-directional mounting brackets included. This means that you can easily install the detector either front-facing with its back to the wall, facing the right with its left side on the wall, or facing left with its right side on the wall. In addition, because it is wireless, finding an optimal position for the detector is always possible. There is no need to fit the detector to the area where electrical preparations is done for the detector wiring. All of this provides absolute flexibility to determine the position of the detector based on the need and optimal field of view for the detection area. You can focus on the optimal installation for best catch performance and a minimum of false alarms from disturbing factors such as a street with passing cars. The flexibility goes further than that. The outdoor curtain can be used to protect every window, and in that way you can maximize your revenue with a dedicated sensor for each window and offer the highest level of perimeter security. Furthermore, by using both the outdoor curtain and a magnetic contact, you can even add an extra layer of detection so that your customer can feel extra secure. The other option is extremely cost effective. This is a single detector covering 12 meters narrow range that this detector offers, and at the end it will only have a width of 1 meter at the edge of that 12. The outdoor curtain wireless offers a comprehensive set of remote diagnostics and configuration capabilities, which reduce installation and maintenance efforts significantly. With these capabilities, the detector can be accessed remotely and service trips can be avoided or delayed to a convenient time. Using the config software, you can access the configuration of sensitivity and other settings, as well as diagnose problems such as low battery or communication level. So to summarize, the outdoor curtain presents significant value to your customers. It serves as the first line of defense of the security system and therefore keeps property and life safe. Preventing an intrusion also means that there is no damage to doors, windows, and precious items. Outdoor curtains also allow free movement during part set mode, which allows the end user to move freely while the perimeter is armed. The outdoor curtain is equipped with new generation wireless detection technologies, which includes the K-band, narrow PIR, sunlight immunity, and wireless anti-mask. As a RISCO wireless detector, it is naturally integrated and compatible with all of RISCO Group's alarm panels, which allows us to receive comprehensive status notifications such as alarms, anti-mask, tampers, low batteries, and also enables remote configuration and diagnostics, as we said before, for easy installation and effective service. Last but not least, now you can sell outdoor detectors like never before, because you can offer outdoor detection where it was not possible before, such as in installations where you'd expect people to walk nearby the protected area. For example, industrial or urban areas, bungalows, along fences, or typically if it's a new build estate, you tend to now have smaller driveways, all the walkways are shared, things like that. You can have a much narrower angle now. So all publicly accessible outdoor spaces where movement close to the property is legitimate. RISCO now offers a complete suite of outdoor detectors with outdoor curtains and beyond, which I'll come on to in a moment. You are now able to offer a comprehensive first line of defense, ensuring a high level of security by detecting intruders while they are still outside. So let's move on to the beyond, which we consider to be the next generation of outdoor detection with visual verification. Beyond is an innovative range of outdoor detectors combining a range of features that are unique. We will very soon have 3 detector models with a uniform look. We have 4 detection channels which provide ultimate false alarm immunity. We already have the wireless dual tech, and the wireless dual tech camera will be available in the UK imminently. This will be the only outdoor dual tech camera on the market. We have remote servicing through the RISCO config software. We have a strong anti-sabotage feature which alerts at a very early stage if someone tries to damage the detector. It also provides unprecedented battery life, which we'll come on to later. So let's start off with the 4 detection channels. There are 2 PIR detectors and 2 microwave detectors, and they allow us to use sway recognition, digital correlation, and K-band. Sway recognition technology is an algorithm that uses 2 microwave channels for cancelling the effect of forward and backward moving objects. In this case, you can see it's the trees, and it eliminates a lot of false alarms. A huge benefit of this to you is to install the Beyond detector in the proximity of 5 meters or more from the trees. This is much nearer than our competitors' offering, which is around 10 meters. Digital correlation technology is an algorithm that uses correlation to distinguish between patterns of real threats versus effects caused by the environment or animals. This can be anything from the sun heating up elements such as metals to boilers or tumble dryers which pumps out warm air, which can be a cause of false alarms. This means Beyond can be used in some very challenging environments. So, K-band again, which I talked about earlier on the wireless outdoor curtain detector. As a reminder, we have 2 frequencies, 24 GHz K-band and the 8 to 12 GHz X-band. Higher frequency equals shorter wavelength and it gives better accuracy. Due to the improved accuracy, K-band better detects slow-moving intruders. The limits of the microwave range can be better controlled, eliminating false alarms originating outside the protected area. Most of our competitors are not using K-band, a technology that is proven to improve both catch performance and false alarm immunity. So very soon, the Beyond DT camera will be available in the UK. This is truly a unique product, and there's the only PIR cam that is leveraging dual tech technology. It includes a quality camera which has a powerful IR flash, enabling it to obtain great pictures day or night. The way it works is as soon as there is a detection, it takes the images, it sends them to the panel sends it to the cloud, and then it is sent to the RISCO app or a monitoring station. The images can be shown simultaneously on the app and by the monitoring station, a major advantage over our competition. And of course, images can be stored on the RISCO cloud for up to 90 days. Let's move on to the remote servicing, which saves huge amounts of time and money for the installers. Installers can use the RISCO config software or keypad to configure the detector, meaning no climbing up ladders to change, for example, the sensitivity, whether the LEDs are on, or turning off the anti-mask. Any troubleshooting can be done remotely, which is a big saving on travel time and service trips. You can now see the wealth of features that can be managed remotely. On the left-hand side, you can see what can be done with the wired beyond, and on the right-hand side, you can see what can be done with the wireless beyond. As mentioned earlier, we have multi-layered protection of the detector itself. We have the tamper, we have the active IR anti-mask, and we have the position sensor. The position sensor, or accelerometer, provides a tamper alert if anyone tries to move it left or right, up or down. So you can even protect the detector from an attempt to harm it. Many of our competitors neither have anti-mask or a position sensor in their wireless versions. I mentioned earlier unprecedented battery life. Available in the UK very soon is a solar swivel with an internal rechargeable battery up to 8 years. The unique solar swivel provides green energy by utilizing internal rechargeable solar powered battery in addition to the detector's regular batteries. So to summarize Beyond, it is a dual technology with 2 PIRs and 2 K-band microwave channels for ultimate false alarm immunity, compared to most wireless outdoor detectors in the market, which are only PIR detectors. It is the only wireless outdoor camera detector with dual technology. All the other outdoor camera detectors are PIR only. It benefits from remote configuration and diagnostics for easy installation and ongoing servicing. Wireless-ready outdoor detectors have limited or no diagnostic capabilities such as battery status. It has multi-layered anti-sabotage protection, tamper, anti-mask and shock sensor, alerting of any kind of attempts to harm the detector. Other outdoor detectors have only 1 or 2 anti-sabotage protection layers. Launching very soon is a unique solar swivel, enabling of up to 8 years battery life.